Sa mundo ngayon, every second counts. Kaya when your ride needs that signature Autobot Service Center, PMS or minor repairs, no worries. We're here to fit your fast-paced life. In less than 45 minutes, we'll get you in, get you out, and get you back on the road with quality workmanship, competitive pricing, and express service, all right here at the Autobot Service Center. Autobot Service Center only trusts quality parts for peak performance and reliability. Lahat ng trabaho performed by our CASA-trained technicians. Approach ensures quality and speed, guaranteeing you the best service in town. Our PMS package includes a sweep oil and oil filter change. Pero hindi lang yan. Kasama rin sa package ang aming 22-point inspection process. We check everything from windshield fluids to tire tread, providing you with a detailed report on your vehicle's performance. Peace of mind guaranteed, your ride is in top condition and ready for the Philippine roads. And wait, there's more! We offer a variety of quality products, oils, wipers, tires, and many more. Choose what's best for your ride. Call us today to schedule your next appointment. Autobot Service Center, where every second counts. And your rigs are not just cared for, they're cherished. Your rigs are cared. Autobot Service Center, your road companion.